first ever wolf. Oh, look at the size of him. Oh, he's going. He's had enough. Oh, there's two of them. There's two of them.
I know.
There's three of them. Oh, that's cool. Now, after those first three wolves, we did spend an awful lot of time just staring into enclosures, just hoping to see something moving or something lying down. I had bought some binoculars with us, so we were able to look a little bit further away, but we did not see anything. We could hear crows and water, but there were certainly no wolves. And it was it was reasonably peaceful, shall we say. Now, this enclosure, we did actually see a few white wolves lying down in the back there, and it was really quiet, and then this happened. Me and Rosalie were the first people to go into the park today, and we had just walked around really calmly, quietly, just looking around, and then all of a sudden these families started coming with little kids, bigger kids running around, making noises, and the wolves really reacted to it. They woke up, and that's what caused them to start howling. They were completely as if they were really happy to see people, whereas we'd been really quietly and walking around, and they were just not going to move for us. But once they saw people and kids, they were all keen. I think what happens is during the summer they have guided tours, and they're actually fed on the when they do the tours, so they now think when they see people that they're going to be fed. I think that's what the story is. So once the wolves woke up, they were right up there next to the fence, so you could really see them well. I'm not a huge fan of seeing animals caged up or behind fences, but I think in this instant I'd rather be on this side of the fence than next to a pack of wolves. It was, interesting to see them very close. They are very large and, very beautiful as well. Hi everyone! We are on a little trip outside today, and it's very windy, as you can tell. We have been to the Chinese buffet in a town called Chabrières, That's where we went for lunch, and now we have been to visit the wolf park, and we are on our way home now, but we're going to take a little detour, and we're going to hopefully go past Lac Vassivir, which is the largest inland lake in this whole area. So we're going to see how it goes, but it's such a beautiful day. There's gorgeous views. Well, you can't really see, but there's rather nice views everywhere. See you in a bit. Bye! So as we're driving around, I saw this sign for a dolmen, and I instantly knew I had to go and find it. We spent the next 10 minutes trying to find it, following tiny little roads until eventually we came to this dirt track. So we stopped and decided to go for a walk to see if we could see the dolmen. Can probably guess where this little chap came from, can't you? So this is the compressor that I've ended up buying. It is it's an 8 bar. I think the gun goes up to about 6, 7, 8, that sort of pressure. So that's fine. It's kind of a low noise one, which is quite important because I'm going to be working inside an awful lot. So I don't want something too noisy. And it's a little bit portable. So all in all, should be a good option. Ooh. Okay. I think I'm going to need to put this on the ground. Down there. There we go. So this is my compressor. This here is my super duper stapling gun. Voila! See, I got the nice long nose there, so it sort of easy reach. The only thing is obviously to connect these two, I need a hose, and I need all the right attachments that goes from the hose into the gun, and vice versa for the compressor. I held off buying the hose until I had both these items so that I can make sure I get the right fittings, the right size and everything like that. So today's job is to go and get the hose and the fittings. But I did notice when I pulled this out of the box that it has got some sort of fitting. So I think I need to spend the next hour reading the instruction books before I jump to any conclusions of what I really need. I need to know exactly what to get. There is that, which I have no idea what that is, but this here, I know that actually it's got the tape on it as well. So I think that is the clippy fitting. So that goes there, that's where it goes. And then the hose fits into that. And then that's the fitting, oops, where, so that's where the opposite ones. So I've got to figure out getting the male and female parts. So joy, so I will get to use this at some point in the next day or two. Well, that was a successful trip to the DIY shop. Well, I hope so anyway. But no, I think it was. I've come away with exactly what I think I do need, and everything seems to fit together. So feeling good now. So tomorrow, it's, what is it, just gone 9 o'clock in the evening. So probably get on with this tomorrow now. Well, that's made me sleepy. Oh. Okay. Tomorrow. As tight as it wants to go. That's much better. Perfect. Whew. Good. Working. Oops. Okay. That needs to be pushed a bit further back, I think. Hello, Mikey. Hi. How are you? Well, that's me done for today. I've had a really productive day. I've properly got stuck into this today. And I have to say, this is fabulous. I love it. I mean, I can't believe how many staples I was wasting with the other two staplers that I had. But this one, I think I've only lost like 2. It's absolutely amazing. They go in, they don't bend, they don't go flying, or they don't like double up and get all jammed, nothing. I am super impressed. And yeah, it's just made the job so much more pleasurable, you know? It was getting frustrating, every single staple not going in, or every 1 out of 10 going in. But now with this, it's going straight in, and I am so pleased with it. I cannot tell you. So yeah, best investment ever. Anyway, I'm going to put this away now and go inside and have a little drink and get ready for supper, I think. Yeah, all good.